Hello and welcome to Dawson Community College. My name is Daisy Nyberg and I'm the Title IX Coordinator and HR Director. On your screen is my contact information. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. I'd be happy to take care of any questions or concerns you may have. So what does the Title IX Coordinator and Human Resources Office do? We investigate all claims made by those who interact with the campus community. We're more than just the Title IX office, though. We assist with all on-campus employment opportunities, employee benefits, and all facets of human resources. We investigate all civil rights issues on campus, and we utilize consistent and fair processes, which are spelled out in our policies and procedures on our website. So Title IX and Human Resources are responsible for implementation and enforcement of Dawson Community College's policy on discrimination, harassment, sexual misconduct, dating violence, domestic violence, and retaliation. We adhere to federal and state laws, and the Dawson Community College policy protects employees, students, and guests from discrimination or harassment on the basis of protected categories that you see on your screen. So what is Title IX? Title IX is the law that was passed in 1972 that mandates no person shall be excluded from participation in, be denied the benefits of, or be subjected to discrimination under any academic, extracurricular, research, occupational training, or other educational program or activity operated by the college on the basis of sex. Title IX is a subset of the campus discrimination and harassment policy, and it has its very own specific regulations. Title IX can also refer to any category on the previous slide. All protected classes adhere to Title IX. Our Dawson Community College handbook and policies prohibit employees from engaging in a romantic relationship with a student. Any prior relationships must be reported to Human Resources, and a consensual relationship plan must be developed. If you've been dating an employee from Dawson Community College prior to your arrival at Dawson, you must come see HR, as we need to develop a consensual relationship plan. This preserves all students' access to education in a way that is ethical and free from bias or harassment or discrimination. What is retaliation? Retaliation means any adverse action, including efforts to intimidate, threaten, coerce, or discriminate, or any adverse employment or educational actions that would discourage a reasonable person from engaging in an activity protected under this policy, go against any individual for the purpose of interfering with rights or privileges secured by this policy. Or maybe we choose to retaliate because the person has made a report or a complaint or responded to a report or complaint, testified, assisted, or participated, or refused to participate in any manner in an investigation, proceeding, or hearing under this policy and accompanying discrimination, grievance, procedures. Retaliation is prohibited in any form. Intimidation may also include making fun of someone or shaming them, publicly trying to use peer pressure to get them to not respond to a complaint or not file a complaint. All of that is retaliation and is prohibited at Dawson Community College. So what is consent? According to the state of Montana, consent is words or overt actions indicating a freely given agreement. Respect is the main part of consent. Consent is all about respect. We respect another person's decisions, whether that's about having sex or not having sex. Maybe it's their political views. Everyone deserves respect. We respect the other person's opinion, political views about having sex, not having sex, the choices that they make in life. It's all about respect. We never make fun of someone's choice. We respect their choices. If someone teases you about your choice, say you're in a relationship with someone, and you say, I don't want to have sex till I'm married, and they tease you, ask them why. If someone truly cares about you, they will respect you and your opinion. Also, please go to the video shown on your screen at YouTube. It is an entertaining and informative video on consent. We do not force consent. If you force, there is no consent. Again, what is not consent? Consent is not present if force is expressed or implied. If there's duress, deception, coercion, intimidation is used or implied. If the person is incapacitated, if the person is younger than the age of consent, consent is not present. Other things to consider. Silence does not automatically indicate consent. Just because someone's silent, maybe they can't speak, maybe they are stressed and they don't know what to say. Silence does not indicate consent. Past consent to sexual activity does not imply ongoing or future consent. And whether an individual is taking advantage of a position of influence or authority over an alleged victim, that's not consent either. Why is it important to report? The law states that if the college knows or reasonably should have known about discrimination or harassment that creates a hostile environment, the college must take immediate action to eliminate the harassment, prevent its reoccurrence, and address its efforts. It's very important that we understand the words reasonably should have known. Please, it's important that you go on the website or you contact us through HR if you have concerns about discrimination or harassment. Do not assume we reasonably knew. Please take action and report what you witness or what you know. Also, even if the impact is not clear, Dawson Community College can provide support to the individuals who experience the behavior. We can provide help. You can provide help by listening without judging. It's not your job to investigate. That's our job. Bring it to us. We'll take care of it. Please, if you hear of a discrimination or harassment situation, please contact Human Resources and the Title IX coordinator and report the behavior within 24 hours. Please take action. What happens when you report? We determine if there's an immediate health or safety risk to the campus. We reach out, usually via email, to the party who is reported to have experienced the behavior. And we offer resources, including contacts to community services if necessary. What doesn't happen? An automatic investigation does not launch. So how do you report? Call Human Resources, 406-377-9412. That is my direct line. You can email us at hr@dawson.edu or at dnyberg@dawson.edu. Or you can also go online and access the website forms online. And please do so. If you have questions about the information you have is something you should report, call us. When in doubt, reach out. All you're doing is ensuring that every student has a right to the education free of harassment and discrimination. We will offer supportive and protective measures, which include escort to and from buildings, change of housing, safety planning. We'll offer referrals to campus and community resources. Maybe there's academic or educational assistance, including extensions, additional tutoring. All are available to everyone who is involved in the process. Again, my name is Daisy. Here's my contact information. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll look forward to visiting with you in the future. And I sure hope that your experience at Dawson Community College is an excellent one. Thank you.